What is going on, guys? Whether you're new to gardening, planning on starting a garden, or even a seasoned gardener, what I want to remind you guys is every now and then, think about why you started gardening in the first place. Sometimes I look online and I see so many posts about people freaking out about their seedlings, if their plants are too leggy, their plants are dying, what am I doing wrong? Why are there so many diseases? And they're stressing out about it. But what I want to say is that gardening is supposed to be relaxing. It's supposed to be therapeutic. It's supposed to be a way for us to escape from that fast-paced lifestyle. The world nowadays is just go, go, go. We gotta keep moving fast. And gardening is the exact opposite. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of patience. It's supposed to be enjoyable. It's supposed to be fun. Once you get to the point of worrying about like what type of variety you need to be seeding at what time period, what type of light bulbs you need, how high the lights need to be from all your seedlings. If my seedlings are going to be leggy, is it going to be strong enough? Is the stem is going to be good? Is the root going to be okay? All those minute details, all it does is cause you stress and takes enjoyment away from what gardening should be. Now I know I'm just some random guy on the internet posting random stuff about eating certain fruits or sharing my gardening journey, little things that make me happy. My goal is to motivate and just share excitement with you guys. The gardening community is fantastic. There's so many gardening YouTubers out there that builds amazing community. And I just want everyone to remember, gardening should be fun and relaxing. Don't stress about anything. If not all your seeds germinate, that's okay, guys. If not all your plants are like big and strong, that's okay. If your plants are getting diseased or they're dying, that's okay. It's all part of the fun. So I just want to remind everyone, take a step back, breathe, and like I said, remember why you started gardening in the first place. I hope you guys are staying happy, healthy, and hydrated. And as always, take it easy.